In this video, I'll be walking you through how to create and verify your Redot international dollar card account in Nigeria. This is a card you can use for international payment online. It is the best card so far, most especially if you make payments for ads like Google, Facebook, TikToks, and Instagram ads. And this card will be very useful for various subscriptions online. You can also use this card to make purchases on multiple platforms like Amazon, AliExpress. Your transaction limit is 100,000. You can use the physical card on ATM in Nigeria. You can withdraw 5 times in a day, 75 times in a month. You can spend $100,000 daily and your monthly limit is 200,000. Charges for ATM withdrawal is 2%. There's no annual fee and it is free for you to renew this card. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you how you can easily fund this card right here in Nigeria. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell. You get to know as I publish my videos every week. Thank you so much for doing this for me. But how do you create this dollar card account that you can use for international payment? Let me show you. As soon as you use my link, which is below the description of this video, you are going to get $5 free sign-up bonus preloaded to your card. You have options to use any email address of your choice, or you can use your Gmail to register. So I will use my Gmail. Click Gmail. You can see unparalleled crypto payment experience. At this stage, all you need to do is to download the app. You have the option to use your Android, that is through Google Play, or you use your iOS devices, that is through Apple Store. You just download the app, follow the prompt to finalize your registration. So as soon as you download your app, then you will continue the registration on your app. You type in your email and you click continue. You push for verification code. You can see you retrieve your verification code. You set your login password and you click to get the code. Then you click next. You can see it's as simple as that. Already log on. Look at the $5 gift. You are going to get the same thing too as soon as you use the link below the description of this video. At this time, the next thing you are going to do is your identity verification. You can see on your app, look at this place. Please verify your identity. Go verify. You tap this place on your app. First click bind mobile. You pick the code on your email. As soon as you pick the code, it's going to give you option to input your phone number. So you input your phone number. You can decide to get the verification code either through the WhatsApp or through the SMS. You can see automatically it will detect the alert and it has banded my mobile phone. So the next thing you can do is to do Google authentication. You can also do biometric verification just to make sure that your account is safe at all time. All these are security measures that you need to put in place. To verify your identity, you click go verify on your app. It will automatically detect your country. You type in your details. You have option to choose if you are using international passport, ordinary ID card, driver license, or you use your national ID card. You need to snap your ID card. You do facial recognition and you input your address. You click identity verification to do that on your app. So as soon as you complete all the verification, you can see your documents are being reviewed. The process usually takes between 1 to 5 minutes, but may occasionally takes longer. So you need to be patient. Your profile detail must be inputted. Your ID card documents must be scanned properly and readable. Then you will take a selfie. That is a picture of yourself showing your face on your phone camera. It will automatically take the picture and it will only verify when it is okay. You can see in less than 5 minutes, look at it, verification passed. So I've passed this verification. So if you do exactly what I did, you are going to pass the verification very easy. This is how to verify your RedotPay account with ease in Nigeria. The next you need to do now is to deposit money and fund your account. You now know how to create your account. All you need to do is to start using this card. The best part is that you can easily fund this card and deposit money very fast using ATM. ATM will help you to easily make your deposit very fast, even from your local bank account to this card, because you can easily fund this card using crypto. Watch this video. This video will take you through step by step of how to use ATM to your advantage, and you'll be able to fund your RedotPay card for online international payment very fast. For you to know everything about this card, watch this video. This video will take you through how this card works and what you can do with it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.